In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can copy comments on YouTube on mobile. Okay, so to make this work, all you need to do is launch up the YouTube app and then go to any video that you want to copy a comment from. So I'm going to go to this video right here. And then you can go to the comment section by tapping on the comments at the bottom of the video. That's going to load up the comments, but you can't actually copy the comments from this page directly. So what you need to do is tap on the share button on the video playback screen. That little arrow, tap on that, and then you want to just tap on copy link right at the top on the left. That has copied the YouTube URL link to your clipboard. Now you can go to your browser on your phone. In this case, I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and then you want to paste in that URL and search for that. This has loaded up the video in your browser, so you can scroll down and tap on comments at the bottom. And let's say we want to copy this second comment right here. All you need to do is long hold on the comment. Then you can go ahead and select the comment and then tap on copy. And that is a quick and simple way of how you can copy YouTube comments on mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.